Yeah, I just finished inspect the tire for the WRX because it's out of state from Kansas. So inspect everything. Now it's dry good. Drive home, guys. Yep. Drive home. Let's see. Yeah, baby. Woo. Okay guys, welcome back to Pham Legend, Pham Motorsport. Today, this video about this 2015 WRX Turbo, guys. I bought this car probably last week, and it have a little bit slightly misfire in it, and we're trying to figure out what's wrong with it. But now I just posted for sale, guys. It's still running dry great. It's a little bit hesitation. A little bit, but it's still going. Everything very clean inside and out, and that's a check engine light on, probably maybe number 3 guy or something. Okay, let's probably go inside and start it up. But before, let's see all the body very clean. There's no dent, nothing, not even a hair dent beside. You don't see it. Body very clean. And later I'm gonna take it in and I'm gonna clean it up, like wipe a little so it look more good. And the rim is SDI rim, guys. SDI tire and rim. The tire a little bit bob, it's okay. Still run and drive really good, but just, a little hiccup. Yeah, all the lip here. Look at this. Ooh, man, very clean car. Super clean. This super clean. Very clean. Let's see the inside, guys. Look at that. Yeah, look at that. The inside very clean. Ooh, man, let's start it up to see. Start up. Okay, it have a check engine light on. I run the code on it. It say misfire cylinder number 3, guys. But still running dry good. Everything. My mechanic just check it out, but it's time for us to sell, so we cannot hold anything. So we decided to sell it. Last time we want to build more horsepower, but now we decided to sell it. Look how clean is that, guys. Look how clean it is. Woo, man, look. Yeah, very clean one. That's 6-speed, guys. 6-speed. Ooh, man. Let's see the motor. Let's see. Let's push all this up, guys. Let's put all this up. Yeah, let's see how clean is that. Woo, very clean one. That. Hey, Pham Motorsport, guys. Pham Motorsport. Every car I saw all got my name on it. Look at that. After I wipe it, look better, clean. So let's test drive and see what happened. And let's see. Let's go. And start it up, guys. Start it up. This one have a slightly misfire in it. You can hear it. Yeah. Okay. Let's pop the hood and see. Yeah. You can see it's a slightly misfire, and we check it is number 3. Yeah. Engine is just a shake a little bit, not that much. Yeah. Very clean one, very clean car. So let's test drive it, guys. See how many, like, I can see all the gear. See any grind or pop out, guys. Yeah. Woo. Yeah, let's test drive it. Okay, let's test drive it. First gear, second, let's do all the gear. This first gear. Ooh, look at that. Second gear. It's still running and driving it good, but just a slightly misfire on the number 3 guy. Third gear. Ooh, it's still get up and go, but sometimes a little bit slow. Yeah, you can hear it. Fourth gear, guys. And this is 6th gear. This is 6th transmission. Look at that. Yeah, look, 6th gear, guy. Yeah. That's how it's running driving is right now. It's really sunny, so probably you can't even see it. Let me turn around and let beat it up a little bit more, guys. Engines are still okay, but we don't have time to fix that third cylinder. It might be easy fix. Might be the spark plug, might be the coil, it might be valve. It depends, it's like that. Yeah. Check engine light on. That's why I check it out already. Yeah. Still running dry and everything, guys. But whoever know how to fix this Subaru, who's a specialist in Subaru, they can buy it and fix it. And it's a good car, very clean car. And I just bought it a couple days ago, and we plan to swap the engine, make it bigger turbo, soup it up and everything. But we don't have time for it now. So this thing has to go. It's sad that we cannot fix it, guys. Really sad that we don't have time for it. So I have to let it go to some people that enjoy it and know how to fix it. Yeah. Let's see. Okay, third gear, guys. Yeah. Second. Where you go? Yeah. Woo, man. Yeah. Third. Yeah. Still very good. Still get up a little bit go. It might be a little bit slow because a misfire number 3, guys. But still, sparks got I don't have to measure the haven't measured the spark yet, but I think it's still spark a little bit or something. It might be an easy fix or it might be a little hard fix, but it's up to you. You can come and check it out. See what happened. It's mechanic welcome. When I say anything, you agree to buy it. But this one is very, very potential, very clean car. So it's worth to fix it, guys. Body is not bad or anything. Still run and drive. You can drive it an hour you want to. I've been driving it. I had 3 days. I've been driving 2 days already to see what happened. And I drive the title when I bought it. The title in Kansas, so I drive it to the DMV to inspect it too. So and it still start. Everything is fine. Start every time. Everything. Yep. Now I park here. And probably I'm gonna list it up in a YouTube video and post it for sale. Let's see how it's idle right here, guys. The RPM probably around 750, 100 RPM. The check-in light still there, and I checked the code is misfire cylinder number 3, so everything here is good. Look at that. Okay. So please like and share, subscribe my channel on this in this car. This one is not a racing car. I listed up like a couple of days ago. I listed another car for sale, but this one I listed another. I doing the video, make this car for sale also. So peace.
Woo.